Howdy mates, Silver Bullet back again. Today we're doing another amateur review, and this is a powder scale named YHA60. It has 2 decimals in grain modes. You can flip this between grams, grains, CT, I think that's Oz or something like that. But my purpose is reloading. Now, the first appearance of this scale is, I like it, it's very solid. The feet are a bit slippery, but that's maybe even stupid to mention. Now, what we're going to do, reloaders have grains of powders, and the smart thing to try out a scale would be to use a solid weight, calibrated weight, but we're not going to do this. We're going to simulate real reloading circumstances, and this is a piece of brass, just like you pull it out of your reloading press. It's a 38 special containing 3.00 grains of Victon BA10 powder. It's a common gunpowder used for reloading revolver and pistol loads. Now, scales can behave differently when you pour grains on them, so that's why it's very important to try them out the correct way to know that they work for your purposes. The scale comes with a tray, or what you call it, a small bucket. Now, I have not used a plastic scale in my tests. I've done a lot of reviews at skytteforum.com. It's a forum you can visit and check out this, but I'll be blunt. This is the one I'm used to using, so it's flat underneath, and this will always land on the same spot, which is a premium feature, but I'm used to this, so I'm gonna use it. You flip the scale on. Now mind, I already calibrated this. It's very easy to calibrate. You just flip the calibration switch and you put on a weight and it's done. Now we're going to pour this in. I set it to grains. .98. Bit fumbly. See me. Wait until it zeroes down. You can see the zero feature here, I hope. .00, right on the spot. Third measurement. .00, exactly spot on. Fourth measurement. .00, spot on. 1/5, I think. .00. Sixth. Exactly 3.00. This scale is doing incredibly good. I tried so many crappy scales leading up to the current tab 20, and this is doing just as good this far. Seventh. Eighth attempt. Exactly 3.00. This is a sweet scale. Ninth attempt or measurement. We have exactly 3.00. This is really, really nice. And the 10th attempt. Exactly 3.00 grains. Now what we're dealing with here is a scale that's amazingly enough matches the current tab 20. It might even surpass it. It's clearly equal to the current tab 20, and after trying so many scales I'm almost speechless. I highly recommend this scale. I haven't owned one, but I will. Now it was me, I leaned on the desk so the figures turn. I'm leaning over the camera to watch this. But this is highly recommended. I will come back with new tests, and I will include a list of how I would rate the scales I've tried, or at least some of the scales that I've tried worth mentioning. And if you are a serious reloader, it's amazing. It's such a relief to have a digital scale compared to a beam scale. I'm sorry, I have to think about the English words. I'm not fast speaking English, but I hope you can understand what I'm saying, and that these reviews are of a help to you, because that's my purpose of doing this. Would like to say I'm not biased in any way, and I'm filming this to know, so you know that this is real values, and nobody will accuse me of being a prick for faking something, but you see with your own eyes and you can decide if this is something for you. I can say one thing for sure. I clearly would choose a digital scale that has 2 digits, decimals, over one of the brand scales any day. I owned Honadis, Dillon's, RCBS, Lyman, and They were all, quite frankly, crap, and that's why I'm doing this. Many reloaders would like a press that's the same color as their reloading press. If you have a Hornady, you want a red Hornady digital scale. I owned 3 Hornady digital scales that each and every one just died or flipped out a couple of days after the 2-year warranty ran out, and they are 2,000 Swedish crowns, or even over 2,000 Swedish crowns each. I don't know how much you pay for scales in your country, but that's well over $700 with shipping. And they were all crap. My Dillon Terminator, it would start flip numbers up and down if somebody walked past the doorway outside the room. My Lyman XL 1000 or whatever the crap was called, it gained weight. If you took the same charge and weighed it down, each and every time it would gain weight. It would gain weight faster than me, and it was clearly the same charge. So I think somebody needs to review scales, because I can't find any reviews of them. I'm just an amateur, but I'm doing this honestly to try and help you out, mates, and I hope you come back with some feedback, and I'll try to do some more reviews. Now, I should also mention that this scale has an extra feature. You could pop in a battery eliminator. Here it is, and it will not have the auto shutdown after 2 to 3 minutes. And again, this is an amazing scale. It's on par with the current Tab 20, or I say it might be even better. So 2 thumbs up, mates. If you like, I'll come back with more amateur reviews. Thanks for watching.